Hello, this is Greater Grace Church. My name is Jerry Weaver,
I'm Pastor Larry.
and we are here to do a video today to show anyone who comes to the church and wants to take on the AV department. We're going to show you step by step how to upload a video.
Excellent.
So we're going to turn it around to the computer. Now the first thing we have here is our hard drive and the USB cord. So this, if I can show this to you, this is the end. This part of the cord, the wire, goes into this part here.
Now, Jared, that hard drive is where we have videotaped messages and files on, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right, very good.
We store all of our message videos and everything on this hard drive.
Okay, excellent.
And then this part of the USB cord, you plug into the computer.
Okay, beautiful.
I don't know how well you can see it, but you plug it into one of these front USB cords.
Right, yeah, great, yeah. Okay,
And you wait for it to load.
so it's loading on the computer now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Gotta wait for the little box to show up.
okay, gotcha, right, exactly.
Okay,
Aha,
and once
there it
that
is.
box shows up,
Right.
you click on under the general options, you click on open folder to view files.
Just one click, Jared?
One click.
Okay, very good.
And I'm gonna maximize this.
All right.
Just to show. And then, it'll show up as Drive E on the computer.
Very
You
good.
click the little triangle here to expand the tree here.
Is that a right click or a left click, Jared?
That's a left click.
On the triangle, gotcha.
That is a
Okay.
left click.
Okay, right, okay.
And you go to GGOY Worship PC folder.
Wow.
And then the video
There it
messages
is.
are right here.
Video messages, okay, wow,
there's
look at that, that's incredible. Those are all dates of videotaped files.
Yeah.
That is awesome, wow, look at that, it's amazing.
So for instance, here's July 9th.
Wow, of 2017, man, incredible. Gives you the duration and the size of the file. Amazing, wow, excellent, very good. Okay.
So, to play, so I'm just gonna show you how to play a video. You just double click it.
Wow,
the
just to
left
play it,
button,
okay, there it
and
is,
it
wow.
starts playing.
Very good, excellent, man, wow, cool. All right.
So in order to upload one of these videos to
Okay,
YouTube,
exactly.
that's what we're gonna do now.
Right, upload to YouTube, okay.
Okay, I generally use Google Chrome here, which
Okay.
is installed.
Right.
You single click there, and it'll
Okay.
open up Google Chrome straight right on YouTube.
Right, wow, very good.
Then you have to sign in.
Okay, signing in to our Greater Grace of York
Yes.
YouTube account, very good. Wow, excellent. Jared knows the password. Very
Yeah,
good.
we're not gonna
Okay.
reveal the password.
Right, exactly, okay. There it is.
I don't know if you can see this, but hopefully it'll
Showing
show
up pretty good, yeah, yeah. Right.
So what you want to do next is go up to the
Top right there, yeah.
this logo thing.
Aha, okay.
Click on that,
Right,
go to Creator Studio,
okay, very good. Oh,
and then you go, I'm going to click on Video Manager.
Video Manager, okay, all right.
And then this little icon
Ah,
here,
yes.
click this icon,
Wow, for the upload, okay. Very
okay?
good. Wow,
And
look at this.
to select the file to upload. And make sure it's on public, because that's how it's going to get viewed publicly.
Okay, all right.
Then you click on this icon right here,
Okay.
and it'll bring up this menu.
It brings up all the files that we are connected through to because the hard drive there. Wow, very good, okay.
You find Drive E, it's labeled My Passport, that's the name of the hard drive.
Okay,
Click the little triangle,
right.
and find GGOY Worship PC.
Okay,
Click the triangle,
ah,
go down to Video Messages, right here. Triangle to expand it.
wow, very good,
So we're
okay.
gonna use July 9th for the video here to show
Okay,
you.
all right.
And we're just gonna pick the first one here. So you select that, you highlight with the left mouse button,
Okay,
and you click Open,
wow,
and it'll start uploading.
wow, amazing. That is so cool. Wow.
So that's all you do, then you have to title it.
All right, yeah.
I have no idea what this message actually is, but
Right.
for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna just do this to show you how to do it.
Okay,
And basically you type in a description, type in a title for the video, add some tags if you wish.
okay,
Under advanced settings, you can
Right.
set some settings here,
Wow.
which I normally don't tamper with.
okay, all right.
I don't have to mess with any of these.
Yeah, gotcha, okay.
The only thing I wanna do is maybe disable the comments for like the sermon videos to prevent like nasty and negative comments.
Exactly, right.
Because I've had that occur
Okay,
when I uploaded a message video one time.
Right.
All kinds of negative and nasty comments were showing.
wow, incredible, man. That's
So
amazing.
I normally just
Wow.
go here and
Okay, wow, okay.
well, this is new, they changed it.
Okay, how about that?
So-
All except potentially inappropriate comments. Wow,
Yeah,
that's
so that's
interesting.
normally
Okay.
what I do. Or if I decide to just completely disable the comments, I
Right.
just uncheck the tick box. there.
Okay, right,
And that deals with that.
all right, very good.
So that's all you do.
So basically, and it's telling us this will be uploading for about 2 hours.
Yes.
Okay. So Jerry, is it possible to actually leave this in upload status and then just come back several hours later and close it down?
Yeah,
Okay,
you can do that.
all right, okay.
So that is pretty much the walkthrough of how to upload a video.
Very good. Oh, very good.
So we're just gonna leave this uploading.
Okay, right,
I'm just gonna minimize that.
okay.
Now, the next step I want to show you in this video is how to work with copying the videos from the video camera.
To the hard drive? No.
Yeah.
Okay, wow, very good,
So
Jerry. Great
what I
idea,
want to
man.
do,
All right,
if this will
super.
work.
Okay,
Wait, okay. I want to do just a short little video just for for a test.
okay,
So basically, this camera operates same way, because I pretty much have a similar model that I'm using right now that we're recording this video on. So I'm going to record, Pastor Larry's just going to say a brief little message here,
okay,
just for the test.
all right.
So, wait, it's recording.
Okay, we're just doing a brief video as a test for Jerry to use on our instruction video on how to transfer video recordings from the video camera to our external hard drive, which actually facilitate our posting of videos to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Basically, after you record,
Okay.
then I'm going to walk you through the steps
All right.
to connect the camera to the computer.
Okay, excellent, Jerry, all right, good.
And it's the same type of thing here.
Okay. There's a USB connected right to the
Yeah,
camera, I
there's a
guess.
USB
Okay,
cable here.
Right.
This is the end that plugs into the USB port on the
Okay.
computer.
oh, so you put it right in the computer there, excellent.
Plug it right in the computer.
All right, great.
And
Okay.
then with this, I'll have to show you. You open it up like this,
Okay,
and you're gonna see a screen come up.
right, AC, right, gotcha,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, okay,
And you don't have to download that software, but that just comes up automatically.
okay,
So basically, the camera's connected to the computer,
okay.
and you'll see this little camera icon appear.
Oh, there it is, wow,
You
okay,
just single click on that with the left mouse button.
all right, oh, okay,
Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. You can either click this button, import pictures and videos, or you can go here to browse files. You double click it to open it.
You
And you'll
did-
see
you
the
did- you-
camera.
You did the browse files, Jerry, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay, right,
I'm
double
doing
click
it,
right
I'm gonna do both ways just to
there. Okay,
show.
all right, all right,
And here's the one we just recorded, it's today's
Okay.
date.
all right,
You can copy it over that way, or I'll show you the other way you can do it, import pictures and videos. Again, you double click on it
Okay.
to activate it,
uh,
and then generally you have to give it a name here, so we'll just say GGOY,
right, okay,
and click import,
okay,
and it's gonna import the video.
wow, all right, cool,
Anyway, you can, the only video in the folder here, so you basically You select it, then you right-click with the right mouse button and click copy.
Okay.
And then you can pick the hard
Oh,
drive.
okay, I see what you're doing,
The
right.
same directory, GGOY Worship PC.
Right, exactly.
On drive E,
Okay, yeah,
click
left
the little
click,
triangle to expand the tree.
right,
Then you go to video messages, click the little triangle to expand the tree. And then in this case, we're gonna make a folder.
ah,
You
okay,
go up to the main video messages directory,
okay,
and easier if I just scroll down to the bottom. To create a new folder, you right-click, go to New,
ah,
and select Folder
Okay.
at the very top here.
right, okay, yeah,
And
There
then
it
you
is.
name the folder. In this case, I'm gonna name it,
video,
test.
test, there you go, gotcha. Okay,
And you double-click the folder to select it, and
Right.
you right-click
right,
and click Paste
aha, there it is.
to
Ah,
copy the
it's
video.
copying the video, very good. Oh, excellent, that's great, man.
So that's all you do.
Okay,
So I hope this video helps you out. So anybody who wants to learn how to do the audio video, if any new members come to our church and want to take it on, this video is here to help you.
very good, outstanding. Yeah.
We're going to end the video now. And you close the camera and disconnect the camera.
Okay.
We can't disconnect the hard drive, which is kind of why,
Right, it's still uploading, yeah.
I'm taking the hard drive home with me, so maybe I can just cancel this, because I wanted to do this just to show how to do it.
Okay,
But we can re-upload it at another time.
okay,
So,
good enough, Chair, sure, all right.
I'm not sure how to cancel. I guess you just hit close and hit leave to cancel the upload.
Right, okay,
And then
very
you
good.
disconnect the hard drive, you click on this little triangle here.
Okay,
Open this
yeah,
little menu. you
exactly,
click-
yeah.
Click this icon here that looks like a
Yeah.
USB cable.
Right.
And it says safely remove hardware and eject media.
Very
Single
good.
click on that
Okay,
and you'll get
Eject
eject.
that, right.
You single click on that
okay,
and you wait until it tells you it's safe to remove. In this
Exactly.
case, it's not gonna let me remove it.
oh, interesting, but I think it's still got the upload going, Chair, huh?
No,
No.
but in order to deal with that, you just click shut down
Ah,
the
okay.
computer.
Right, exactly, okay. Got it.
Whenever you get that error message that it can't eject it,
Yeah.
you just shut the computer down.
Exactly.
And disconnect it that way.
Okay, very good, yeah, okay,
Because sometimes the computer will do that.
right, all right, very good.
Okay, now, are there any other words you want to say before we end the video?
No, I just want to say that I'm very pleased with how the video went, and just because, like, for example, I've been wanting very much to help Jerry with this kind of thing, and this is a simple but profound step forward in our utilization of technology to bless God in His work. So, great job, Jerry. Thank you.
Thank you.